New York State WIC, a new way to shop. Welcome to the WIC Electronic Benefits Card, known as eWIC. You will access your WIC food benefits using your family's eWIC card, similar to a debit card. WIC foods are added to your eWIC card and become available to you and your family on the same day each month. Plan for your shopping visits and take advantage of all the healthy foods WIC offers. Here is how to get started. Before you go shopping, review your WIC shopping list. At your WIC appointment, you received a WIC shopping list of foods that you can buy for the month. Looking at this list will remind you of all the categories and amounts of foods available to you. WIC offers many healthy choices in each food category. Use the New York State WIC Pictorial Foods Guide or mobile app to help you choose the foods your family likes. Look for these tools on the New York State Department of Health webpage at health.ny.gov/WIC. To make shopping easier and faster, make a grocery list. Where to shop? There are lots of places where you can use your eWIC card, including major grocery store chains in New York. There are also many smaller grocery stores where you can use the card. Your WIC agency can give you a list of WIC-authorized stores in your community. In addition, look for the "We Accept WIC" sign posted at the entrance of stores, usually on the front door or window. Each time you shop, you do not have to buy everything at once. The WIC food items you buy are subtracted from your monthly total, and any food remaining on your card will expire on the last day of your 30-day benefit cycle. At the store, when you are ready to check out, you can use any WIC cashier. Once all your items have been scanned and totaled, give the cashier any coupons. When you are ready to pay, use the eWIC card as your first form of payment. If you are buying items that are not on your WIC shopping list, you can purchase them using another form of payment. Some smaller stores may ask you to separate your WIC groceries from your other items and pay with your eWIC card separately. Be sure to keep your receipt. It shows your remaining WIC balance for your next shopping trip. We are sure you will find using the eWIC card convenient and a better way to purchase all your WIC foods each month and help you grow a healthy family. New York State WIC, a new way to shop.